Hi everybody, this is the website boy again with tutorial 21 on this advanced series, and we're gonna be finally building the sidebar and some components. This tutorial is gonna be awesome, it's gonna be very cool, and we're gonna extend it to include other things in the sidebar. It's gonna be very cool, so pay very close attention. Alright, for those of you that want to do everything like me, I understand you. I want to do everything like me. You can install Sublime Text too and the Emmet plugin just to write code a little faster, right? Actually, a lot faster. For those of you that don't have this option of Sublime Text, you can install Notepad++, which is free for Windows, and the Text Wrangler, which is free for Mac users. And for those of you out there that want to download exercise files, and I understand, you can go to my website, thewebsiteboy.com/snippets, and guess what? You can also watch the tutorials at my website. That's cool, right? But anyway, for those of you out there that see this thumbs up, don't forget to click it if you like my videos. I mean, this means the world to me, right? And I appreciate it very much. For those of you out there that want to navigate my course, this is how you do it. You can click the next for the next video and the for the previous videos, right? You can also subscribe to my channel immediately. And every time I upload one of my videos, guess what? You get an email automatically to your email box. That is cool. For those of you out there that like my videos, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are my world. You make more videos every single day, all right? You wake me up in the morning and you keep me awake at nighttime. Thank you so much. Let's continue with the tutorial. All right, so we have our site here and we are missing a navigation. And the way we actually, I'm gonna make this navigation a component also. And I want to put a registration form on the right side, or maybe a link to a registration form. Let's do that right now. Let's go to our index. Actually, let's open up our file there, and let's go to and open one of these article about the meetings.php or something, right? Article about the meetings. Let's open that up and let's do a save as, and let's call this a site registration. Hopefully I'm spelling this right. A site registration. Let's do a save as. Let's take this off and let's call this a site with a class of registration. Hopefully I'm spelling this right, and I just want to make sure that we have at least a class there that identifies what this is, right? Let's do an h2 on it, and let's just call this registration form. All right, and we can have a paragraph and say something like fill this up, right? And put a link here that's going to take them to the registration.php page. Or we can put a form later on in here. It depends. Right now I don't know. Right now I know I want something there. I think this is the simplest way to do it. You just put a link and then build a registration form somewhere else. A nice registration form with Bootstrap. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do that. I think it's better instead of just putting a little small form here that is not gonna show you how to build forms. But anyway, let's just go ahead and fill this up, and and we will get back to you. Get back to you ASAP or something. Or fill this up and register for a conference. Register for our our meetings or something. I don't know. Later on we can change that too. So let's put a link down here, a button for them to click. All right. Let's include a button here, and let's just have this go into the registration page also, right? Registration.php, and here we can actually put a class for this one. So let's go ahead and btn primary. We can just change it to some other color with Bootstrap. All right, so I think we're good now. So what we have to do is just say register now or something. All right, so we have a little link here that allows us to kind of get this together. Actually, yeah, we're good here. So if we see the main page now and we refresh, we don't see anything. That's because we don't have this PHP included in here. So we need to grab one of these PHP functions and include it in our sidebar and name the file the same as here, site registration, right? So site registration, all right, PHP. Let's save it, refresh, and now we have this. Now we messed up right here, but we can fix that easily, and that's because this A is missing that anchor tag. All right, let's go here and refresh, fill this up and register. Fill this up and register for a meeting. We can improve that, but you get the feeling of um, this, right? So this is actually working very good for us. Now let's check the index page and take this off. We don't need this there. Actually, we can, what we can do is actually include this in below here, so that way it's aligned with everything. Refresh, and now that's both aligned there, right? Because it was not aligned before. So now everything is looking really good. All right. So we are starting to build this navigation. Later on, we'll build other things in here. Maybe we can put some photos in the right hand side, and I mean, we're gonna make this look very good. So anyways, if you were able to learn something new from this tutorial, like always, like your videos, share it on Facebook, Twitter, give me a like or something. Thank you so much for the support, and keep learning. Don't give up. You're becoming somebody better and better every single day when you watch tutorials and improve yourself. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.